Bulk payments. Bulk payments allow you to select multiple transactions and record a single payment that will be applied to all the selected transactions. This is useful when you want to apply one payment to multiple family members, or if one company is covering event registrations for all its employee members. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Control Panel, Money tab, and select Transaction Search. At the top of the screen, select the Bulk Payments option, then click the Search button. You'll see a list of pending transactions, each with a checkbox. Select the transactions to be covered by the payment. As you do, a running count and total are maintained to the right. When you're finished, click the Bulk Payments button. Choose the payment method and enter the information. Click Apply Payment Method to record the payment. Note that credit card payments are not accepted for bulk payments. You can also generate invoices for pending transactions. Select the transactions you want to appear on the invoice, then click Invoices to print an invoice with all selected transactions. You can generate an invoice with all transactions combined and totaled to a single invoice, or each transaction printed on a separate page.